In this product review, we're going to have a look at the USWE hydration system. It has a 4-point suspension harness with outstanding fit and bounce-free action. The shoulder straps have suspension stretch, so it reduces pressure on the shoulders. And the chest straps have suspension stretch as well, which also allows full body movement. Now, one size fits all from medium to extra large with adjustable straps, and they do have junior models as well. Now, what I really like about the USWE hydration system, I've got the Airborne 9. Now, this is a system that you'd use as a day pack. It's fantastic for enduro riding or trail bike riding. They do have bigger models, of course, but the thing that really impresses me is the bladder. It's got a wide opening, very easy to put your water in or ice blocks in, but most importantly, very easy to clean. The quality of the USWE hydration system is amazing. All the buckles and the straps and the zips are all top quality. Now, the old trail packs used to dance around on your back like a monkey hanging off you. Not anymore with the USWE, with their 4-way suspension harness system. This thing just stays strapped to your body and by far is the most comfortable backpack I've ever had. So what does MXTV give the USWE hydration system? 5 thumbs up. This thing is amazing. Go out to your local dealership, check one out, you won't be disappointed.